Hello everyone and welcome back to How Logical. We are back with another tutorial, and in this video we will be showing you how to check your Instagram comment history. There are two ways to check your Instagram comment history. First, let's open up your Instagram application. First of all, tap on your account icon at the bottom right corner. Now from your accounts menu, tap on the menu icon at the top right corner. Then from the settings page, tap on account. Then scroll down and tap on a post that you've liked. In here you will be able to find all of the posts on Instagram that you have liked since your account was created. Here you might be able to find some of the posts that you might have commented on. If you are unable to find your comment history from this option, then go back into the settings page and then tap on security. Now under Data and History, you will find the Download Info button. Tap on this and you will be asked to enter your email address. Enter your email address, then press Request Download. Now you are asked to enter your Instagram password. After entering your password, tap on the Next button and you will receive an email with all of your Instagram data within a single file. While you cannot edit any of your comments, you will be able to access all of your comment history from a singular file. So that's all for this video. If you like our content, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching.